Once upon a time, there was a seeker of truth named Sufyan. Sufyan had always been curious about the world and the meaning of life. He traveled far and wide, seeking answers to his questions and searching for wisdom. One day, Sufyan met a wise old man who had a reputation for being a great sage. Sufyan approached him and asked, "What is the meaning of life?" The old man smiled and replied, "The meaning of life is to find your own purpose." Sufyan was puzzled by this answer and asked, "How do I find my purpose?" The old man replied, "You must search within yourself. Look deep within your soul and find what brings you joy and fulfillment. Only then will you find your purpose." Sufyan took the old man's advice and began to meditate and reflect on his life. He realized that he had been chasing after material possessions and worldly pleasures without ever truly finding happiness or fulfillment. Sufyan began to simplify his life and focus on the things that truly mattered to him. He spent more time with his loved ones, helped those in need, and pursued his passions. As he began to align his actions with his values, he felt a sense of peace and contentment that he had never experienced before. He realized that his purpose in life was not to accumulate wealth or gain fame, but to serve others and make a positive impact in the world. Years passed, and Sufyan became known for his wisdom and his selflessness. People from all over the world sought him out for guidance and advice. One day, a young man came to Sufyan and asked, "What is the secret to a happy and meaningful life?" Sufyan smiled and replied, "The secret to a happy and meaningful life is to live with purpose and to always strive to be the best version of yourself. When you align your actions with your values, you will find true fulfillment and joy." The young man thanked Sufyan and left, feeling inspired and motivated. Sufyan continued to live a life of purpose and service until his dying day. He knew that his legacy would live on through the people whose lives he had touched and the wisdom that he had shared. The moral of this story is that the meaning of life is not something that can be found outside of ourselves. It is something that we must discover within ourselves through reflection, self-awareness, and living a life of purpose and service. Hello there, please drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.